Hi everyone. Today we're going to be presenting on the mapping method of note-taking. So my name is Arham and my group mates Yungju and Thiru will be presenting later on in the slideshow. So this is a brief outline of what we're going to be presenting today. So I'll be covering the introduction. After that, Thiru will be covering the method and the advantages and disadvantages, along with the conclusion will be done by Yungju. So what exactly is a mind map? A mind map method was first introduced by a British psychologist, Tony Buzan, and he originated it to make human thinking clearer. So he wanted it to be kind of used in every aspect of life, where clearer thinking is needed for learning. And it is a very powerful graphical technique of note-taking, and it ideally delivers a bigger picture of the ideas that you're learning at the moment in time. So what do you exactly need for mind mapping? Mind mapping is very, very simple and actually doesn't need many things. You basically just need unlined paper to make it easy for you to put down your ideas. Plus you need colored pencils and pens to make it as colorful and as bright as possible. And of course you need your brain to think of all the brilliant ideas that you always think of along with your imagination.
Thank you, Arham. Now I'm going to talk about method of mind mapping. According to Tony Buzan, there are 7 steps of mind mapping. First of all, we need to start our mind mapping from the center of the page. This is because this may give your brain some freedom to spread out all the direction and the information. Use the image and the picture for your central idea, because an image is worth thousands of words and it may help you to flow some imaginations. Next, we may use some color throughout. This is because our brain needs some vibrant colors, and according to Tony Buzan, if we give some vibrant colors, we may learn it even faster, which is good for our knowledge. After that, we may, according to Tony Buzan, the 4th methods of mind mapping are connect your main branches to the central image. Further goes to the connect your seconds and the 3rd level branches to the 1st and 2nd level. This is because your brain work association. It is like to the link of 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th things to go together. If you connected the branches, you will understand and remember it more easily. After that, you may use a curved line rather than a straight line, because your brain will be so bored if you use a single line. Later on, you may use also one keyword per line, which is more powerful rather than flexibility. Lastly, try to use some vibrant images throughout your slides, because when you put some images, it may give your slide make more powerful, and then it is worth thousands of words just looking at the images. Now, Yongsun will continue the slide. Yongju, sorry.
Okay. Actually, mind mapping is a very, very effective way of learning. According to Cunningham, he conducted a study in which 80% of the students thought mind mapping helped them understand concepts and ideas in science better. A meta-study about concept mapping concluded that concept mapping is more effective than reading text passages, attending lectures, and participating in class discussions. You know, we humans, we are visual animals, we learn better from pictures than words. In addition, they concluded that low ability students may benefit more from mind mapping than high ability students. This format of learning helps you visually track your lecturers regardless of the condition of the lecturer, the presentation style of the lecturer, the competence of the lecturer. Little thinking is needed and relationships can be easily seen. It is also easy to edit your notes by adding numbers, marks, and color coding. Main points can be written on flash or note cards and pieced together into a table at a larger structure at a later date. Okay. On the flip side, if on a mind mapping has some disadvantages too. You may not hear changes in content from major points to facts. Okay, as a conclusion, mind mapping can be used when the lecturer content is heavy and well organized. It may also be used effectively when you have a guest lecturer and have no idea how the lecture is going to be presented. And lastly, it is a general method that can be used to help any individual or group to describe their ideas about some topic in a pictorial form. So these are the references we use in preparation of these slides, of this presentation and slides, and thank you for watching.